Welcome to Content Runner, connecting users with high-quality writers for all your content needs. As a user, you can place orders and track the writer's progress and status of articles. This video will be a general overview of the site. If you have more specific questions about features, check out the other tutorial videos available on our YouTube channel or read the FAQ on our website. You're also always welcome to shoot us an email at info@contentrunner.com. To get started, make sure you're logged in. Enter your username and password. You'll automatically be taken to your dashboard, which is like your command center. Track ongoing assignments, search for orders, and post new orders. Orders are displayed chronologically with the newest orders at the top of the queue. You can click the blue date field to switch this and view orders from oldest to newest instead. From here, you can also add notes, which are invisible to writers, to further organize your orders. You can also view the order number, writer, price, status, and date. Select the green plus sign to expand orders and view all details of an order, such as titles for all articles within an order, the status, and the assigned deadline for an article. If the article status is open, a writer has not yet picked it up. You can delete these orders from your queue by clicking on the red X button, or you can click the pencil button to adjust the price, details, and instructions of an order, which may encourage writers to pick up the project. From here, you can also assign the article to a favorite writer. Once you've made these changes, make sure you click to save your changes. If an article is marked writing in process, you will not be able to make these changes. You can only make these small changes to orders that are still marked as open. Once a writer finishes an article, it will show as submitted for review. You can then click on the blue hyperlinked title of the article to review it. At the top of the screen will be the name of the writer, which is linked to their Content Runner profile. It also shows the word count, style guide, if you included one, and other instructions you gave to the writer. The full text of the article will be included in the box below the instructions. If you need the writer to make changes, you can easily return it for revision with instructions on what changes need to be made in the notes box below the article text. Once you return an article for revision, you will not be able to access the article until it has been resubmitted by the writer. If you return an article for revision twice, you will have the option to reject the article if it still does not meet your standards or needs. The reject button will be next to where the accept and return for revision buttons normally are. Once you reject an assignment from a writer, you can then assign it to another writer or resubmit it as an open order. You will not be able to use the rejected article. If you do like the article and want to leave comments for the writer, you can enter your comments in the box and hit accept. The feedback will be relayed to the writer through a message. If you want to accept the article and not give feedback, you can just hit accept. Once you click the accept button, you will have to confirm by clicking yes, and then you will be directed to a page where you can edit the content. You are also welcome to give a rating to the writer for this article. You can rate them between 1 and 5 stars and leave a publicly displayed review in the box. Or you can just go ahead and hit no thanks. If you wish to edit in Content Runner, you can make the changes in the text box, hit save, and download the content. If you want to skip this and just download the article, click the icon next to the title. You can then download the article and edit it in Microsoft Word or whatever word processing software you use. Let's head back to your dashboard. For instructions on how to post an order, check out the order form tutorial video available on our YouTube page or available by clicking here. Your dashboard also includes access to your billing information, account details, and settings. For more details on these sections, a more advanced order form review, or any other topics you're curious about, check out Content Runner's YouTube channel, our FAQ, or send us an email with your question. Details for all of these are included in the description box below. Thanks for using Content Runner.